Next is straight stitch, a very basic and simple stitch. Widely used, perfect for beginners, can create various patterns. Essential stitch in embroidery. Let's demonstrate top pattern first. Using 4 strands of color number 9. Start from right side. Come up at line end. Take down vertically at other end. 1 straight stitch complete. Let's demonstrate again. Come up from right. Take down at left. These remaining lines. Stitch them in sequence. Straight stitch isn't just for lines. Can create various patterns. Versatile stitch in embroidery. Let's look at the result. Now look at pattern below. Based on basic straight stitch above, added several straight lines. Creating new pattern looks slightly more complex, but actually very simple. Using 4 strands of color number 13. Start from right pattern. Come up at upper right. See where 4 lines meet. There's a gap here, so don't take down at middle point. Take down at line end position. Come up at lower right. Take down at front line end. Let's stitch these 2 also. Take down. Complete remaining side. Again, come up at upper right. Of course, you can start from upper left. That's fine too. Take down. Let's look at the result.